U.S. officials say the lead pilot of the Boeing 777 jet that crashed in San Francisco was serving as a flight instructor for the first time, as he monitored the pilot who actually was flying the aircraft. The head of the National Transportation Safety Board, Deborah Richman, said Tuesday the two pilots also had never flown together before the crash, which killed two Chinese teenage girls. Richman said the pilot at the controls was about halfway through his training to fly Boeing 777s, but she refrained from singling out pilot error as the cause of the crash.
We will not determine probable cause while we are here on scene. That will come after we have collected all of the information and analyzed it. I would really encourage all of you to be very cautious about speculating on the cause of the crash. There is a lot of information that has to be gathered, and we've talked about some of it today, but you can see there's still a lot of work to be done.
Richman said the pilots realized the plane was coming in too low upon landing and tried to correct the flight before it crashed into a seawall ahead of the runway.
There was a description of the event, and again, this is from the interviews of the crew, that after the impact, the aircraft ballooned, it yawed left, and it went into a 360-degree spin.
The two girls killed were found outside the Asiana Airlines plane, which caught fire as it skidded down the runway. U.S. investigators say one of the victims may have been run over by an emergency vehicle, but that has not been confirmed. More than half of the some 300 passengers and crew were injured in the accident. Asiana Airlines confirmed that the pilot flying the aircraft was landing a Boeing 777 for the first time in San Francisco. U.S. and Korean investigators are working together on the crash. Mike Richman, VOA News, Washington.